Unit 6. How is it made? Lesson 1. Reading. Activity 1. Discuss the questions with a partner. Do you wear jeans?
Yes, I wear jeans.
When do you wear them?
I usually wear jeans at the weekend.
Why do you think jeans are so popular?
I think because of its durability. Good quality jeans can last for years, even decades.
What do you do with your old clothes?
Old clothes can be transformed into something new like bag, padding for chair, industrial blankets or cleaning cloths. I also take them to a charity shop.
Activity 2. Look at the infographic on page 71. What process does it show? 1. What can you see in the first picture?
A plant.
2. What can you see in the final picture?
Some jeans in a shop.
3. What process does the infographic show?
How jeans are made.
4. How many stages are there?
11 stages.
Let's go through to the stages before we read the article. Stage 1.
They grow the cotton.
Stage 2.
They water the cotton.
Stage 3.
They harvest the matured cotton.
Stage 4.
They take it to the factory for processing.
Stage 5.
They make yarns.
Stage 6.
They add color to the yarns.
Stage 7.
They make a denim.
Stage 8.
They cut the denim into jeans.
Stage 9.
They stonewash the jeans.
Stage 10.
They ship the jeans to other places.
Stage 11.
They send the jeans to shops.
Read the article quickly to check your answer.
A new life for your jeans. Do you have an old pair of jeans that you don't wear anymore? Are you planning to throw them away? Find out how they are made first, and you'll see why it's a good idea to recycle them. A lot of water and energy is needed to make one pair of jeans. Jeans are made from a material called denim, and denim is made from a plant called cotton. Cotton grows in warm, wet countries like China, India, and Brazil. It takes about 6 months for a cotton seed to grow into a plant and produce cotton. Cotton needs a lot of water to make it grow. Some of this comes from rain, but when the weather is dry, farmers need to water the plants. After the cotton is harvested, it is transported to a factory and made into yarn. Indigo dye is then used to colour the yarn. Indigo gives the jeans their dark blue colour. After that, the yarn is made into denim material, which is cut to make jeans. Lots of people like stone-washed jeans. To make these, jeans are then put into a washing machine and washed with stones to make them soft and more comfortable. Stone washing can also change the colour of the denim to light blue. Finally, the jeans are packed into boxes and transported all over the world. Jeans travel up to 60,000 kilometres to reach the shops, where you can buy them. Almost half of the jeans made in the world are sold in the USA. Last year, people there bought 450 million pairs of jeans. To make one pair of jeans, 10,000 litres of water and many other resources are used. Resources are all the things you need to make or do something, like energy, materials, and people to do the work. So we really shouldn't throw away old jeans just because they're too small or because we have a new pair. But what can you do with an old pair of jeans? Here are some suggestions. Give them to friends or family. Take them to a charity shop. Have a swapping party, where people exchange things they don't need, like clothes or books. Make them into a new creation, like a bag or a toy. Give your jeans a new life.
Activity 3. Look at the vocabulary panel above. Find the words in the text. Use the context to find out what they mean. Soft. Not firm or hard. Nice to touch.
My cat's fur feels lovely and soft.
Cotton. A soft material that comes from a plant and is often used for making jeans and other clothes.
My new shirt is made of cotton.
Harvest. To cut and collect crops, for example, cotton or wheat, from the fields.
The cotton is nearly ready to harvest and send to the factory.
Yarn. A long, thin piece of cotton or wool.
Cotton is made into yarn in the factory.
Jeans. Trousers made of strong cotton material. Denim, which are usually blue.
We aren't allowed to wear jeans to school.
Dark. Strong in color.
She was wearing a dark blue jacket.
Throw away. To put something in the bin because you don't want it.
He threw away his old trainers because they were full of holes.
Denim. A strong cotton material, usually blue, that is used for making jeans and other clothes.
Tom's jacket is made of denim.
Dye. A liquid that you use to change the color of something, usually clothes or hair.
I used a purple dye to change the color of my t-shirt.
Light. Not strong in color.
I prefer the light blue t-shirt. It's the same color as my eyes.
Activity 4. Read the article again and label the infographic with the missing information.
Make jeans. Transport jeans.